Join me as I try to create the ultimate outdoor movie night using just the WIMIUS 1080p projector. Can I make magic happen in my backyard? The WIMIUS 1080p projector is a game-changer for outdoor movie nights, offering an unparalleled combination of portability and quality that will elevate your outdoor entertainment experience to the next level. We've all been there, trying to set up an outdoor movie night, but ending up with a subpar image quality, or worse, a complicated setup that ruins the entire experience. The tedious process of lugging around heavy equipment, setting up multiple components, and dealing with cables and wires can be a real party pooper. And let's not forget about the mediocre image quality that barely does justice to your favorite movies. It's a wonder why we even bother, right? But what if I told you there's a way to avoid all that hassle and still have an incredible outdoor movie experience? A way to effortlessly project stunning visuals onto a giant screen, without breaking a sweat or compromising on quality. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. We've all struggled with setting up those flimsy screens that always seem to collapse at the worst possible moment, or dealing with the harsh outdoor lighting that washes out the image. And don't even get me started on the sound quality, or lack thereof. It's a wonder we can even hear the dialogue over the rustling of leaves and chirping of crickets. But what if you could have a cinematic experience that rivals even the best indoor theaters, right in the comfort of your own backyard? No more sacrificing quality for convenience, no more complicated setups, and no more mediocre movie nights. The WIMIUS 1080p projector is designed to overcome all these challenges and more. With its impressive 1080p resolution, you'll be treated to crisp, vibrant images that will transport you to a world of cinematic wonder. The built-in battery provides up to 4 hours of playback time, so you can enjoy your favorite movies without interruptions. And with its ease of use, you'll be up and running in no time, thanks to its intuitive interface and minimal setup requirements. But don't just take my word for it, let's see the WIMIUS 1080p projector in action. I'll be setting it up in my backyard and projecting one of my favorite movies onto a giant screen. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Wow, just look at that. The image quality is stunning, and the sound is incredible. It's like having a private movie theater right in my backyard. The WIMIUS 1080p projector truly delivers on its promise of outdoor movie magic. I'm blown away by how easy it was to set up and how amazing the visuals look. It's a testament to the projector's quality and design. And the best part, I didn't have to break the bank or compromise on quality to achieve this level of awesomeness. So, what do you think? Are you as impressed as I am with the WIMIUS 1080p projector? Share your thoughts on outdoor movie setups in the comments below. And if you're curious about other projectors or outdoor gear, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be exploring more exciting options. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.